guys, welcome back. Sorry about the background noise if you hear any. Today we're drawing 4 other cats. So first we're drawing a she cat warrior. So let's go into her design. Let's go. I finished her up, and apparently it went to coloring before I draw any of the cats. So whoops. So let's just finish coloring her up and let's go on another cat. Yeah. So we are drawing I think a
don't eat all that popcorn, it'll make you tummy hurt.
she cat. The queen, and sorry about the background noise. Let's just go into her design. Whoops, I drawed on the wrong layer. Oh my goodness me, I'm so stupid. Oh well. Kitty pet. So let's just go back and So I finished her and I'm now coloring her. The next cat I'm going to draw is her kit. That is a kitty pet too. So let's go into his design too. Let's go. Okay, I finished him up. It took me a while because I was doing something else. Okay, the next cat is going to be a elder Tom. I think an elder she cat actually. So let's go into her design. Let's go. See you next time and have a Merry Christmas Eve. Goodbye guys. I hope you have a good time.